Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am unboxing this interesting gadget. It is a fidget spinner, but as you can see on the box it says lighter on it. So let's have a look inside. It comes in this nice presentable box. So it got this gold colour, it's very shiny. So as you can see, it's got an LED light strip here, micro USB charging here, a little button, LED lights, so, it's actually a torch, lighter part of it. So if we push this up, see, it comes on. So what else do we get in the box? Just a micro USB cable and a certificate sheet. So the spinner itself is really nice. Like I say, it's very shiny, so it's quite a big fingerprint magnet. It spins really well. It's not like the cheap fidget spinners. So let's have a look inside, see what bearing this uses. So as you can see, the bearing it uses is the very small ones, and these ones are found in professional yo-yos. To look at some of the other features on this fidget spinner, it's got the button, so if I press it once, the torch comes on. Now this torch is really bright, super useful. It's now replaced my torch that I normally carry around in my bag, so I don't need another torch. This is bright enough. If I press the button again, got LED. Now it comes with this pattern. Basically just goes through random patterns, and one part of it says I love you. I press the button again, it does SOS torch mode, and again turns the torch off, so it's just the LED strip. And to switch it off, hold the button down. Just the torch. It is very bright, very useful. It feels pretty heavy in hand. This is a comparison, the size wise. It spins quite nice. So would I recommend this fidget spinner? I'd say yes, mainly for the torch feature and obviously the lighter feature. So if you're out and about and need to maybe start a barbecue or something, this would be super useful. The LED strip, not that useful in my opinion. You probably get bored of it straight away. But as a device, I think it's a brilliant idea, and actually as a fidget spinner itself, it's not too bad at all. Much better than a lot of the cheaper ones that you see around. So yeah, it also comes in black, and I believe it comes in blue as well. So if you're interested in those colours, they're available. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.